Today I'm taking a look at the WORKPRO Everyday Carry Mini Tactical LED Flashlight. So this is the light. It has a knurled grip on there. It has a clip that appears that we can remove it. Yes, so if we don't want to have this on there, we can do that. It does come with the tether installed. Oh, that is nice. So the back button actually lights up. So it actually has 4 brightness levels and a strobe. If I press the button and hold, no, so that just switches. So you will have to go through every mode if you want to get this to shut off. That's interesting, but we do have the option of going to full brightness if we double tap. Cool. So that's nice. So if we just want this to go full bright, we can hit that, and if we hit it again, then it does shut off. So that's nice. And this one is zoomable, which is important for me. I only want a flashlight that's zoomable. That way I can have that full flood, or I can zoom it in and have more of a pinpoint of light. I do have to say that is a fairly bright flashlight for being such a tiny light. We can see that is castled on the top for all of your castling needs. And on the back we do have 2 flats, so even with the tether on, we'll be able to stand this up on end. So if you got to do any overhead work, you're going to be able to use this for that. This does have one very cool design. So this is a rechargeable battery, but if we twist this, that reveals the USB-C port. So instead of those rubber membranes that you got to peel off and always end up falling off, this one actually has a nice secure way of covering that port so you don't get dirt and nastiness in there. Comes with a charging cable, so this is USB-A to USB-C, but this also has an adapter on it, so we can use USB-C to USB-C. And it appears this also comes with another battery, but this is a single AA battery. So that way if you forget to charge it, or if you just know you're going to be running this thing for a long time, you'll be able to use replaceable simple AA batteries to keep this guy going. So to replace the battery, we want to grab this knurling right here. So here's our battery, and that is a 16500. So easily replaceable if you need to get another rechargeable battery. Very nice having different options on a flashlight, especially having one that takes only a single AA battery. Most flashlights take an 18650, and it takes 3 AA batteries to get that thing going if you want to use replaceable batteries. So that is very nice. Okay, so here we are outside at night. This is with the flood. So right now it is kind of highlighting this entire area. And if I zoom it, that is what that looks like. So very good throw on this flashlight when it is zoomed in. Cool. So that is a pretty nice flashlight.